What did I say about the damn dog in my room? Get the dog out of my room. No. This is not even funny. I'm not even joking. If the dog pees in my room, I would be so mad. You have no idea. I would be so mad. No, don't bring it. I don't want to see it. Get it away from me. Get it away. Get away. Go away. Nobody loves you. Nobody loves you. Go away. You keep bringing the dog up here. Look at this. You see this person right here. She keeps bringing the stupid and now this whole bit to me. I might have rabies or something because she hangs out with that stupid dog all day. How am I supposed to survive? Like, really? How am I supposed to survive? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep laughing. Go ahead and keep laughing. I will punch you in the leg again. So because you don't feel good, just because you don't feel good, you feel you have the right to what do you say? What is the word? To mess with me? I don't care. No, you can get out of my room too. Nobody loves you either. No. Go away with your damn dog. I'm over these damn Americans.